It's still locked in.
Thank you.
Try to go up.
Go up.
Yeah, you don't need it to tour.
Responding to area 45.
There you go.
Because we're on uneven ground. You see your finger? Try this one.
Let's get a caller on it. 450 South 416 Highway.
Okay. You guys ready? Okay.
LT, you want me to start moving that way?
7 Charlie, 3 feet Bethesda West, 16 feet west. 7 feet.
Do you have any medical issues that we didn't know about? Heart problems? Are you diabetic or anything?
Just I'm on 3.5.
Did you lose consciousness when you
We're going to be transporting one
did you lose consciousness when you hit your head? You did? You think you did? Where'd you hit your head?
Engine 16.
Your back?
No, not my head.
Oh, your back. Okay, you didn't hit your head though?
No.
Okay. Easy, real quick. Where at? Up here or down low? Up?
Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, right there.
Where does it hurt? Lower? Upper back? So, like thoracic or cervical? I'd say more cervical. Okay. Lean back in.
Oh, I forgot my mask.
We need to put stuff back in here.
I honestly don't know. I don't know what
Not a
was
wire
rolled out.
socket.
Yeah, it's open. I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to double check with that.
Engine 3. Responding to area 3. Miscellaneous structure fire. 3015 Broadway W. P. B. 1.
Where was his damage in the front?
Yeah, he hit the rear.